Finding the paperwork that accompanied your proponent order is simple. First, we'll log into ProCart using our username and password. Next, we'll select our company name from the drop-down menu and click Submit. This brings us to the ProCart homepage where you can select Purchase Orders. Within the Purchase Orders tab, you can see the PO number listed on the left-hand side of the page. If you don't see the one you are looking for, you can click View More and it will expand the results. Or you can set a date range using this feature here. Or you can simply search for a specific PO by typing in the PO number. When you find the PO that you are looking for, click on the View Detail button. Here is where you will be able to access the paperwork, including the invoice, the proponent packing slip, and the accompanying manufacturer CFC or 8130 tag, if applicable. First, let's start with the invoice, where you simply click on the tab that says Invoice, and a copy of that proponent invoice will appear, where you can either print or save directly from ProCart. Next, we'll look at the proponent packing slip, where you click on the packing slip button, and a pop-up will appear where you can see this View button. If we click that, the packing slip that was shipped out with your order will appear, where again you can either print or download and save to your computer. And finally, with the manufacturer certs themselves, you can see that each line item creates a link where you can access the certs specific to that part number. So let's check one out. We'll click on Certs. And here is where you will access the manufacturer paperwork, including the 8130 tag. You can see that this particular part did not have one, so there isn't a link available. But if it had, there would be a link. However, you can see the manufacturer CFC available, so we'll click that. And the manufacturer paperwork that accompanied your order will appear. From here, you can either print or download and save directly from your ProCart account.